I said, I said I make eye contact with my teacher all the time, but you don't see me making moves.
I like that though.
Like the video, bitch. I will come to your house.
Dude, literally, I threw you in English today, man.
It's amazing.
Dude, yeah, put that in the video. Picture I do of you.
Gotta...
Oh. Oh,
I got killed by Joe Rogan, bro.
Oh! 1 minute down! Oh! Oh, shit.
Team. There's no way they didn't see you. Come on. Oh. What just happened?
I left.
Oh. Can't get me now.
I literally do not miss, dude.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I can't miss.
I ain't missing no shots, bro. No
I
shots
was
missed.
cooking some food and it smells delicious. Ah! Burgalicious, definitely.
Parkour.
Where should I land this bad boy?
On top of the police station.
Not to crash and die. It's hard.
Okay.
On keyboard or mouse. I don't have the controls. Let me out.
Oh my god. You should just crash it for the funny moment.
Like, no, I would never touch the fucking crash it. You skinny one.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god, there's a guy.
Where?
He's flying a helicopter.
Let's fuck him up, dude.
Alright. I'm gonna shoot at him.
Gas is closing in.
Get freaking pranked. You just got pranked, bro.
Damn, I think I actually need to fall off, dude. Fuck.
Why'd you jump off?
I didn't need to. I got close to the edge and I lagged off.
Wait, where are you?
I fell down. Coming back up, dude.
Nah, I
didn't
got you.
loot this stuff. No, I'm gonna loot this stuff.
Alright, hopefully I don't crash.
Like, bruh. Crashed on top of the pillar.
Whoa!
Oh.
Whoa!
Jeez!
I did some face stuff right there. Oh, there's a guy flying
Trying to see where they are.
under us.
Where?
Over here. Landing right here.
You coming up?
No.
Oh, here!
The fuck?
Coming up.
The hell?
Give me some ammo, bro. You took all the ammo from that guy.
Ah!
I can't even reload, dude. I need ammo! I still killed him with 4 bullets, dude. Get out of my face.
What do you need?
No, I got it now.
AR?
No one wants to job it me before.
Oh yeah, let me just drop it right as there's a guy coming up. Chugga chugga cha cha.
Get ready to jump.
Wait, just land it.
Jumped.
Hang on. Land it. No!
I
Oh,
jumped.
I'm still on! No!
Get ready to jump. Oh, we're getting shot at.
Ah! Ah! Tanner!
We're going into a tunnel.
All aboard the choo-choo train. Damn, Thomas.
All
Thomas really
aboard the
aging.
choo-choo.
Thomas getting old.
Thomas is a player.
Thomas, if you join the military.
All sad. Just carrying stuff around all day.
Percy, quick! We need to bomb the city.
Loadout drop headed your way.
Oh, I thought we were being bombed again.
So-
Oh, let's get it. Both. He's on me. He's on me. He's on me. Got one.
Nice. I don't see the other one. My sensitivity's too high now.
He's right in front of
Too
you.
high.
Sustaining fire.
Oh, I hit him. I broke mine.
Wow.
He's one shot. Dude, oh my god.
Dude, you kept shooting in my
It's so
toes.
effing bad. I barely changed it and it makes me go freaking crazy.
Fight to earn redeployment.
Jesus. You gotta see your PO.
Oh,
wait,
that's why.
You're up next, mate. Get ready.
I put point 45 and it didn't put a point 45. I put 2. That's why it was so effing high.
Oh.
Gosh, I couldn't even
Clip it.
control it. It was just going everywhere.
You win this fight and you return to the front line.
But
If you lose,
it's too long
you're
ago.
done here. Your team's got a problem sorted.
That's
He
cap.
just got a better gaming chair, apparently.
Well,
Oh,
if
parkour.
if that's the case, then I'm very sus because I think about dudes a lot.
Eliminate all targets.
Nothing on that.
Nope.
All right.
Been discussed.
Wait, what? Tanner does not support gay people. I could cancel everyone. Oh, on me.
Where's on you?
That one.
I don't
Bro,
see anyone
what?
else.
I don't know. Just look
Don't
on the
give a
map,
mark.
cause you'll see them once you get over here.
I'm left hand on the roof just looking for people. I don't see no people. Oh, parkour.
You have a grenade?
No.
Oh,
Sustaining
Jesus.
fire.
Gas is closing in.
Oh, he's running.
I'm coming up the stairs.
Good.
Do you
Got
have
him. Yeah.
Yeah, I literally just jumped down to go under.
Jeez. I was just standing there with a RPG. Oh, what the hell? Dude's camping in a building up there.
You're up, soldier.
What building like shoot from?
That's cap. That's cap.
Got ru-
About to mug this guy in Warzone Battle Royale.
Nice, there's another one just sitting there, bro. What's wrong with people, bro?
What is wrong?
that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Why the fuck with his teammate? They're both just sitting in that building the whole goddamn game.
I am in love with Master Alex.
Master Alec, thank you, man.
Genji.
These people, man.